Hi friends, welcome and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, delicious cranberry sauce, perfect for the upcoming holiday season, especially Thanksgiving. To see how I prepare this delicious recipe, stay tuned. So friends, these are the ingredients that you're going to need: cinnamon stick, brown sugar, clove spices, almond essence, fresh cranberry, and also dried orange zest. So friends, as always, be sure to follow us on Instagram, TikTok, and also Facebook, and be sure to like. Do sit back and enjoy the recipe. So friends, here we are. Looks amazing. At this point, we are all done. I'm going to go ahead and cut it off and set it aside for cool, and I'll be right back. So friends, here we are. Absolutely delicious. A must-try recipe for Thanksgiving. If you make the recipe, you can go ahead and tag me on Instagram and also send me a picture. That's Cooking with MP. As always, thanks for watching. Until next time, delicious cranberry sauce.